Let's take a dive in and look at our microsites. As you can see, this is going to be where every student's going to start their journey in a microsite, the login page. This is password protected. So you can see they can log in with the email address and password that they used to complete the application, or they can go ahead and log in with their social media down here. So you can go ahead and click their Google account, and then you'll see that it brings us right into that microsite. And the microsite access is enabled by the assigning of different labels for different groups of students. And that's how you'll be able to assign who gets to go into this microsite. So it doesn't have to be at a particular stage every single time. You get to decide when they get access to the microsite. So taking a look here, you'll be able to see the menu items up here, as well as the header information. This will be customized for every student. So it says, hi, Brenda now, but it's going to say, hi, Eric, or hi, Colin, based off whoever's logged into it. So you'll be able to utilize that. And then you have a call to action button right up here in the corner. Again, completely personalizable based off what you are wanting to accomplish. Right here we have pay deposit, but you can do things like for an event or for freshman orientation, so on and so forth. You have your social feed right here in the middle. This will be able to house any social media feeds you want to showcase on that homepage. And then if you scroll down just a little bit here, you'll see these content cards, and these are really cool and very powerful. So you'll notice that it says your current major is biology. So that's pulling in from the application. So whatever they selected on their student profile for their major, or whatever their active major is, that's what's going to populate here. And it's going to show different content cards based off of which they select. So notice whenever we change it to education, that's going to adjust the salary range and adjust what cards are being shown for that particular program. So you can see you can put things in here like an academic planner, the starting salary range, career connector card. You can have some notes here showing different highlights of things happening on certain dates, but you can also show them their next steps, any documents that's still needed to upload, and they can actually upload on the microsite. And then things like follow us on Instagram, that'll link them to your social media as well. So everything else, you'll see a bunch of items up here. And because it's password protected and you're deciding who gets in where, all of this is customizable. So while we're showcasing things like next steps and a location explorer or an academic planner, career connector, video vaults, get social, and then document uploads, you can showcase certain items, whatever items you want to see. We have partners that have microsites for multiple different use cases. So taking a look on the back end, how you create this, it's all done with no coding. That's the huge thing here. You're creating this big, beautiful, completely personalized website experience for a student to go ahead and combat that melt, increase the yield, and you're doing that with no coding. So we're putting the power right back into the end user's hands. So taking a look here, you'll see you just kind of go down, right down. You start at the login and you just go right down the line. Now it's going to show you your dashboard, that social feed setup, and then you have things like surveys that you can put into those content cards. And then all of these sections that I showed you right along the top of the screen, you can add as many or as little of those as you want, and again, completely customizable. So then you have your general settings down here that you'll set up your colors and your logos and items like that. But admitted microsites are a very, very powerful tool. And with Element 451, we've made it incredibly easy to build out. Can't wait for you to put it to use. See you later.